How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over a brief overview of our MultiColor K-Force 47 linear full-size light bar. Now this will apply for all of our MultiColor full-size bars from 36 to 55 sizes. Now I'm using our Supreme control box, which you'll use your connector here and to plug that into your control box, and then I have the power cables run to power here. Now on your Supreme control, the first position will activate the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode. Now this is a red, blue, amber color setup, so you'll notice the light bar is flashing between red, blue, and amber multicolor. But we do offer amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor options for any application. Now you do have the ability to run your light bar in your multicolor flash patterns, your primary or your secondary color flash patterns, and you will have dual memory per slide position to program your flash patterns. So here are some of our combo style multicolor flash patterns. So I'll go ahead and cycle through these and show you a few of these, and some of these or all of these combo flash patterns are new that we recently introduced. So let me get through the combo multicolor flash patterns here, and then you'll notice at the end of your pattern sequence that you'll have 4 patterns in your red, blue, and then you'll have 4 patterns in your amber. So I'll go ahead and program a red, blue pattern here, and I'm in mode 1 with my mode switch here. Now when your mode switch is unactivated, you are in mode 1. So let me go ahead and push mode here. So I went ahead and pre-programmed an amber flash pattern for mode 2. So here with my mode button, I can easily program my light bar in my primary or secondary color flash pattern, and I can easily switch over between mode 1 and mode 2. And you do have that ability with the built-in multicolor primary and secondary color flash patterns. Now past your primary and secondary color flash patterns, you'll be back into your multicolor flash patterns. And so you'll see that your light bar will start flashing in multicolor. Now you also have your takedown, your alley, your cruise, and your traffic advising functions here on your Supreme control box. And then you have your night mode button, which will activate the red backlight LEDs on your control box. And then you have your aux button here, which you can use that to hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting all off of your Supreme control box. And I brought our MultiColor Z12 surface mounts in red, blue, amber here for example. And again, we do offer this light bar in amber, red, blue, green, and clear color options for any application. So that covers our MultiColor K-Force 47 full-size light bar. Make sure to check out the product pages for the full product demos, and also use our interactive players to demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.